CNC milling machines are machine-operated cutting tools that are programmed and managed by computer numerical control systems to accurately remove materials from a workpiece. There are numerous items accessible to CNC milling machines, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best CNC milling machines from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 Upgrade Version CNC. The offline controller is 1G capability. You may manage the CNC router without connecting to the PC. The CNC router could be positioned wherever you need, comparable to storage and workshop. Built-in driver chip plus fasten warm sink plus exterior fan plus sturdy casing to increase the lifetime of the management board. Self-contained brief circuit safety, not straightforward to wreck. 12 months guarantee. CNC 3018 Pro is an upgraded model of 3018. Management software program. GRBL, working space. 30x18x 4.5 cm, spindle. 775, spindle motor, 12 to 36 V, 24 V 10,000 Rmin. Supported system. Home Windows XP Win 7, Win 8, Win 10. This engraving machine could be engraved plastic, wooden, acrylic, PVC, PCB, wooden or the like materials. Drill bit cannot engrave arduous steel, jade or different arduous supplies. Number 2. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 1610 Pro Milling Machine 3-axis GRBL Control CNC. 30x26x25 cm kind USB, port desktop CNC router system necessities Home Windows XP, WIN7 WIN8 WIN10, supporting information G-code. Mini CNC machine small measurement, gentle weight, USB interface, GRBL management techniques, nice CNC router machine for beginners. The CNC 1610 Pro machine could be very straightforward to put in secure construction. Our parcel additionally embrace English person guide. Could be engraved plastic, wooden, acrylic, PVC, PCB, wooden and the like materials. Mushy steel like copper and aluminum and different supplies. However, cannot carve arduous steel, jade or different very arduous texture of the gadgets. GRBL management candle. Parcel embrace 1 PCS4G USB flash drive which incorporates person guide and GRBL software program. Number 3. Benbox 1310 CNC. Our parcel embrace the CD, it embrace the setup directions, person guide and GRBL software program. 126mm 88mm 38mm machine dimension 281mm 281mm 287.5mm management software program. Global control, light. Hearth Benbox. Energy provide DC 24V adapter, enter 110 VAC 240 VAC spindle motor, 775 spindle motor 12 to 36 V, 24 V 8000 Rmin spindle chuck ER11 stepper motor 2 section 4 wire stepper motors, 1.3A 0.25 Nm Home Windows XP Win 7, Win 8, Win 10. Please tell us when you want any assist in regards to the machine. And please tell us when you fail to put in the CH340 driver on Home Windows 10. Appropriate for carve engraved plastic, wooden, acrylic, PVC, PCB, bamboo, MDF and Slimer supplies, engraving, slicing in addition to copper, aluminum, and other forms of sentimental steel supplies. Number 4. 3-axis desktop 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 Mini CNC. Our parcel embrace a 4G USB flash drive, embrace English person guide and GRBL software program. Could be engraved plastic, wooden, acrylic, PVC, PCB, wooden and the like materials. Mushy steel like copper and aluminum and different supplies. However, cannot carve arduous steel, jade or different very arduous texture of the gadgets. Home Windows XP SP3, WIN7, Win 8, and 32/64 could be Linux. 30x18x 4.5 cm body measurement 40x33x 24 cm kind USB port desktop CNC router. In response to the directions, the machine is straightforward to assemble. Fuselage size 34mm present 1.33A, 12V torque 0.25 Nm. Number 5. CNC 3018 Pro Wood Router Kit. Added the outer casing emergency cease button, port software setting, probe, port XYZ axis restrict port, and add the ability button change and include the fan port to power warmth. Dissipation with enhanced spindle drive can help most 20,000 RPM spindle and in addition, can help 0.5 W20W module. Mini CNC machine small measurement, gentle weight, USB interface, GRBL management techniques, nice CNC router machine for beginners. The CNC 3018 Pro machine could be very straightforward to put in secure construction. Could be engraved plastic, wooden, acrylic, PVC, PCB, wooden and the like materials. Can also work on mushy steel like copper, brass, aluminum, and different related steel supplies. However, cannot carve arduous steel, jade or different very arduous texture of the gadgets. For USB flash drive, it embrace the setup directions person guide and GRBL software program.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.